I'm going to take you back on a journey to term one of my earliest lessons with my classes. And I walked into a classroom and it was CAI. Apparently everybody loves them. CAI this, CAI that. Apparently the best class, the highest marks, whatever. I said, okay, let's see what they're made of. So I, of course, took a seat at my teacher's desk, had my laptop ready to go, whiteboard all ready. I had to plug it in using a HDMI wire, and then I had to use a plug just to charge my laptop. And just FYI, the door is right here as well, okay? And that'll be important later because there's a bathroom here, which is also going to be important later. Okay, that didn't sound great, but yeah, anyway, just bear with me, okay? So, I was teaching the class, and one girl wanted to answer a question on the board. I says, okay, go ahead then, here's the pen, you can answer the question. Turned up, walked across here, knocked this out, knocked that out. My laptop almost fell, the charger came out, it was pure chaos, and I was like, okay, you know what? Okay, you are now banned from the board, please leave. Another girl said, can I go to the washroom? And I said, okay, well, the bathroom is right there. There, that's why I said it was important, right? Because it's right next door. And I said, okay, right here. That's all she had to do. So there she is. And I said, okay, fine. Hopefully you won't take too long, right? A few minutes? She said, yeah, mister, I'll be back in 3 minutes. I said, okay, fine. She came back 15 minutes later. I was furious. I said, what is this? What's going on over here? And then one girl at the back was shouting, the other one kept talking, and one girl at the corner just kept answering everything. I said, no. This is not good. This is the first and only class that I currently have who are dealing with a ban list. So I created a ban list for everyone in this class. Luckily it was a small class, so it was easy to handle. So let's check this out. I have, of course, made fake names to hide their identities. So, of course, the first girl that inspired my ban list was Hazelnut, and she's banned from the board until now. And then I have Crispy Bacon, who went to the bathroom for 15 minutes. She is now banned from the bathroom. I also have Marshmallow, who is banned from saying answers first. She was the girl that was sitting in the corner over here. Then we have Barbecue, who's banned from banning me, because at one point I was talking and banning everyone, and she says, no, mister, you are banned from banning us. You cannot ban us. So I've banned her from banning me, so she can't do that. And then at the same time, her friend sitting next to her, she was trying to give me some attitude. I says, oh, no. You're banned from attitude. And then constant snoring. She was finding this whole thing funny. She was sitting over here. She was laughing away. I said, no, you're banned from laughing, not allowed. And then the other girl over here, who's really, really loud, funnily enough, she actually has a sweet, normal voice, but when she shouts, oh my word. So I said, no, we're not having you shouting. That's crazy. So I banned her. That was lowest denominator. Afterwards, I was saying, let's get on with the work. And one girl over here, who happens to be this girl's cousin, she was saying, I don't want to, I'm being lazy. So I banned her from being lazy. And at the end of the lesson, my other student who sits at the front, and she's really bright, she does really well, really amazing in her exams and things, came to me and says, mister, I did very bad in the MSAT. I said, okay, do it again. And later on, she did it again. She said, I did bad in the MSAT. I said, okay, do it again. And she came back to me again. I said, no, you're banned from the MSAT. I don't want to hear it. So that was Rita Book. And then we had Paige Turner, who, after the first one answers, she sits on the other side over here. She used to always answer second. I said, no, you're banned from answering second, not allowed. Then I have somebody called Augusta Wind, and she's always using her Apple Watch in class. So, of course, she got banned from using her Apple Watch. And then You Are Nice is just banned from talking because she just talks too much. And then out at the front, we have a girl called Anita Bath, and she is banned from being quiet because she never talks. So I'd like them to swap places. Then I have I Am Tired. She's banned from not having internet because you guessed it, every time I ask her to do something, she says, mister, I don't have internet. So she's banned from that. Then Be Home Soon is banned from just looking guilty because she just sits there, yeah? Sits there with just a guilty look on her face. And I know she's doing something, and that's why she's banned from that. And then there's another sister over here. This, well, not a sister of a class, a sister of a girl that I taught before, and she just looks identical to her. So she's banned from looking like her sister. And finally, at the end, I agreed for them to ban me from something, and luckily I used some wordplay. They said to me specifically, I'm banned from not teaching 52, because apparently they think I like 52. I have no idea, whatever. They said I'm banned from teaching them. But, look at that, the wording was banned from not teaching them, which means I can teach them, a double negative. Amazing. They don't even know that. Well, I guess they're going to know now. Damn, this is my longest video yet. Let me stop that now.